Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak strips. First, let's talk about choosing the right cut of meat. For tender steak strips, I recommend cuts like sirloin, flank, or skirt steak. These options offer great flavor and texture when sliced. Look for a piece with good marbling, those small flecks of fat, as they will melt during cooking, keeping your steak juicy and flavorful. A steak about 1 inch thick is ideal for even cooking. Now that you have your steak, it's time for preparation. The key to tender strips is slicing against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite more tender. Aim for strips about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Before seasoning, pat the strips thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful, flavorful sear. Finally, season your steak generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you love. With your steak prepped and seasoned, let's get cooking. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed oil. Cook your steak strips in small batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. This ensures a good sear rather than steaming. Cook each batch for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully browned and cooked to your desired doneness. Once your steak strips are cooked, the final, crucial step is resting. Transfer the cooked strips to a plate or cutting board and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Skipping this step can result in dry steak. After resting, your delicious steak strips are ready to be served immediately with your favorite side dishes or incorporated into a stir-fry or fajitas. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.